So what do you think about this evil woodpecker thing going around in this trail?
I think it's just a load of baloney. There's no actual woodpecker. It's
You
just
sure
a
about
myth.
that?
I'm positive. There's gonna be no woodpecker
Okay.
whatsoever.
What a stupid myth. I can't believe they're actually thinking about it. Well, I finally get to take the trail.
I can't believe they interviewed me for the myth. I don't know anything about it. I don't even think it's real.
So weird. Okay. Hey, you stupid kid. I don't want you following me.
Ing?
I told you to stop following me.
What the? Hello?
911, what's your emergency?
I think I found a dead body.
Stay calm. Where's your location?
Salem Scout Trail.
Salem? Okay, we'll be there right away.
Okay, thank you.
Halt.
Hey, little Timmy. I need some body bags. Thanks, little Timmy.
This is Jan with Action 4 News. Today we're going to be talking with the police chief that saw this massacre happen. Chief, what did you see?
Well, I was walking down the woods where the person reported the dead body, and right when I did that, a woodpecker jumped out. So the only thing that was in my mind to do was to shoot him. So I shot him.
Wow, great interview.